If WhatsApp crashes after a system update, you're not alone. In this video, we'll share quick fixes and a reliable way to back up your WhatsApp data on the latest iOS versions. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why does WhatsApp keep crashing? Outdated app. Update WhatsApp. Low storage. Free up space. iOS issues. Update iOS. App glitches. Restart the app phone. Corrupted data. Reinstall WhatsApp after backup. Part 228 Solutions for WhatsApp crashing on iPhone. Solution 1. Restart or reinstall the WhatsApp. To fix WhatsApp crashes, try restarting the app first. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the latest version from the App Store. Then, try launching it again. Solution 2. Check network connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause WhatsApp to crash. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, toggle airplane mode, or connect to a stronger network. Once stable, reopen WhatsApp and check if it works. Solution 3. Disable Facebook sync. If Facebook's contact sync is causing WhatsApp crashes, turn it off. Go to Settings, log into Facebook, find Contacts, and disable the feature. Solution 4. Turn off auto backup of iCloud. To fix WhatsApp crashes, turn off iCloud auto backup. Go to WhatsApp settings, chat backup, tap auto backup, select off, and confirm with done. Solution 5. Free up your iPhone. Open Settings, General, iPhone Storage. View how much free space is available. If storage is low, follow the system suggestions to remove unused apps, photos, or files. Solution 6. Update iOS version. App crashes may be due to an outdated iOS version. To fix this, go to Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, tap to install it. Solution 7. Force restart your iPhone. For Face ID iPhones, press volume up, volume down, hold side button until the Apple logo appears. For home button iPhones, hold home plus power until the Apple logo appears. Solution 8. Clear background apps or RAM. Having too many apps open in the background can consume memory and make your iPhone slow, which may cause WhatsApp to freeze or crash. Closing unnecessary apps helps release system resources and improve performance. Part 3. How to back up WhatsApp on iPhone. Mobikin WhatsApp Recovery for iOS helps back up WhatsApp data without overwriting existing files, letting you selectively save chats, media, and business messages. Steps to recover and back up WhatsApp from iPhone. Step 1. Install and open Mobikin WhatsApp Recovery for iOS on your computer. Select Recover from iOS device and connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable. Step 2. Select WhatsApp and WhatsApp attachments. Click Start Scan and the software will display WhatsApp chats, attachments, and media files, allowing you to preview and choose the data you want to back up. Step 3. Select the WhatsApp messages and files you wish to preserve. Then click the Recover to Computer option. The program will back up your chosen WhatsApp data to the computer safely, without affecting existing iPhone data.